how's the master program built up?
The master program is built up around the process of business transformation. And this process of business transformation has two big phases. The first phase is about strategic innovation, and the second phase is about organizational transformation. Let's focus on the first phase, strategic innovation. Strategic innovation means looking for how the business can play the game differently from their competitors in the industry. That's what strategic innovation is all about, changing the game and the rules of the game. So in this phase we have two steps. The first step is about inspiration, the second step is about creation. In the first step of inspiration, students learn what is changing in society and what is the power, the positive thing, the magic of this company. What is the identity and how can we discover the DNA, let's say, of this company. And that is the first phase. That's about inspiration. How is society changing and what has this company to offer on the part of meaning for the world. That's the step of inspiration. In the step of creation, they translate this know-how and the DNA of that company to a high involvement experience concept. So let's say what is vitality for Unilever and sense and simplicity for Philips. There's a high involvement experience concept. A concept which inspires employees and at the same time inspires customers to participate. So that is about high involvement concept development. And then if that concept is developed, we go to the second phase of the program, and that is about organization transformation. Because when a company starts from a meaningful concept, the organization should work in a different way. We cannot work like the Ford plant so many years ago. Working in a meaningful way means that you use creativity from inside and outside the business. So it asks for different structure of the organization and different things, a transformation of the organization. So again, the second phase of organization transformation has two steps. A first step of exploration and a second step of organization. In the first step of exploration, we translate the high involvement experience concept in experiential platform. We look for the touch points for every stakeholder group. How could we interact with them in a way that is a two-way direction, not just we talking to them, but it is a two-way direction with every stakeholder. So that's discovering the platform with all the touch points. That's the first phase, exploring how we can work in a more meaningful way with all stakeholders. And then the second step in organization transformation is about organization, leading a more creative organization that is capable to innovate continuously. And that's really a different thing from the, let's say, the old organizational structure that keeps people in line with processes and inspires to work in a more routinous way. Now we have the opposite. Of course we need discipline in companies, but we need also the possibility to allow creativity to come up and to make business out of it. So that's the whole process of strategic innovation followed by the process of business transformation. That is the process which underlies the whole course.